Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. Some of you must have already registered for NMAT and some of you must be wondering when to write the examination. There is a lot of news around that when should you take NMAT to maximize your score. So in this video I'm going to tell you what should be the best time for you to take NMAT. So you must have heard some news कि एनमैट अक्टूबर में देते तो अच्छा स्कोर आता है दिसंबर में कम हो जाता है स्केलिंग so what is the reality behind those things and when you should take nmat keeping in mind your preparation for other examinations please watch this video to understand the whole thing so nmat starts from 12th of october and will go on till 19th of december. Okay, so I will be writing the examination on first day itself. So in case like you are writing it later, please do watch my review on NMAT on 10th of October. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for great content on MBA preparation examinations. Last year when I appeared for NMAT, I got a very high score that was of 292. Okay, and I'm currently taking some classes also for NMAT. So if you wish to enroll in my classes, you can do so by checking the links given in the description of this video. So let's first debunk the myths about NMAT. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, एस्पिरेंट्स एक दूसरे से सुनते हैं, वो सोचते हैं हाँ ये बात सही है, कुछ लोग यूट्यूब में आके कुछ भी वीडियो बना देते हैं, ठीक है, लोग मान लेते हैं, राइट. सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो, अंडरस्टैंड इट. आई विल गिव यू द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट दैट व्हाई पीपल से सो एटसेट्रा. So the first thing that people tell is NMAT gets difficult with time. No, it does not. ऑल एनमैट पेपर्स जितने भी चाहे स्लॉट वन है स्लॉट लास्ट वाला है सबका लेवल एक जैसा रहता है. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत वेरिएशन रहेगा बट ऐसा ड्रास्टिक वेरिएशन नहीं रहता है. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अभी इजी आएगा बाद में डिफिकल्ट आ जाएगा. It is a mixed blend of questions. They have a huge pool, right? NMAT is conducted by GMAC, the organization which conducts GMAT. Okay, so it is not like I would say that NMAT, although is expensive, but it is one of the smoothest एग्जाम्स दैट आई हैव गिवन. ओके, कोई इश्यू नहीं होगा, कोई क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होता है, ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर करेक्ट. ओके, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपका क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया. मार्किंग स्कीम, यस वी डू नॉट नो that how exactly it is done. It is an adaptive marking scheme, but the difficulty level remains same. Okay, so I have taken NMAT during different times. I have taken in December also, and I have seen similar scores coming up in the examination. And I have had students who took examination later and they found कि अच्छा हाँ, जैसे लास्ट ईयर मैंने एक सीरीज चलाई थी उसमें मैंने कुछ टॉपिक्स कराए थे जो एनमैट में स्पेसिफिकली आते हैं. एंड द वंस हु टुक इन अक्टूबर नवंबर और दिसंबर दे सेड दैट उनके एग्जाम में भी उसी लेवल के क्वेश्चंस थे. तो थोड़ा बहुत वेरिएशन हो सकता है, मे बी किसी में 5 क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा एक पैसेज आरसी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट आ गया, किसी में इजी आ गया, थोड़ा बहुत वेरिएशन रहता है बट इट्स नॉट दैट कि एनमैट विल बिकम entirely different in December. So don't go by this myth. Second thing that people talk about is it is the biggest myth about NMAT that scores are scaled down in December. No, a big no. ठीक है, कोई भी अगर आपको आके बोलता है कि NMAT में scores कम हो जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता. I will tell you the reason why it happens. Okay, there is the level remains same, the scaling does not happen. See what happens is most of the aspirants who appear in the examination in the beginning, शुरू में कौन देगा जो पहले से well prepared है. Okay, so they tend to do better in the examination. Now when it goes to December, the students who are not prepared, underconfident, those who fear the examination, they schedule towards the end. Most of the aspirants are the ones who are not yet prepared. जो prepared होगा वो पहले दे देगा, वो कहेगा ठीक है एग्जाम दे देते हैं झंझट खत्म. बट जो लोग प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं होते या फिर डर जाते हैं, कई लोग आपसे बोल देंगे कि नहीं रीशेड्यूल कर लो. लाइक पीपल हु आर नर्वस, हु आर नॉट वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, दे टेक द एग्जामिनेशन इन डिसम्बर. सो वेरी लाइकली दैट मेनी ऑफ देम माइट गेट बैड स्कोर्स. ठीक है, हो सकता है जो प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है तो उनके स्कोर्स तो कम आने ही है. ओके, सो वेरी लाइकली दे विल टेक द एग्जामिनेशन लेटर ऑन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज जनरल ट्रेंड दिखता है कि लोगों का स्कोर कम हो गया. ओके, बट दोज आर द वंस हु आर नॉट वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. So that is the reason people say कि दिसंबर में स्कोर कम आता है. It is not the case. I have seen students scoring 272 plus in December as well. ठीक है. सो इट इज पॉसिबल टू स्कोर वेल इन डिसम्बर ऑल्सो. सो डोंट गो बाय दिस मिथ कि दिसंबर में देंगे तो स्कोर कम हो जाता है. नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट्स जस्ट दैट more people, majority of the people writing in December are the ones who are not well prepared. That is why this happens. Then there is a perception that the type of questions are different in different windows. I would say not exactly, but there is a slight pattern change across different slots. Okay, slight pattern change कैसे होगा? किसी में 3 RCs आ जाएंगे, ठीक है, किसी में 2 RCs होंगे. 2 RC होंगे तो यहाँ पे 4 क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएंगे. सो 3 RCs मीन्स 12 क्वेश्चन. एनमैट में जो भी सेट आता है 4 क्वेश्चन का आता है, चाहे वो RC हो चाहे डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन हो. सो सपोज एक में 3 RC से तो 4 ग्रामर क्वेश्चन एडिशनल हो जाएंगे. सिमिलरली किसी में ऐसा होगा कि इसमें 3 DI हो जाएंगे, किसी में 2 DI हो जाएंगे, और उसमें 4 कोई वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएंगी. सो दैट इज द स्लाइट चेंज अक्रॉस डिफरेंट स्लॉट्स. इतना तो चलता है ना. किसी में 3 की जगह 2 RCs हो सकते हैं, ठीक है, एक ही रहेगा. किसी में 2 पजल होंगे, किसी में एक ही पजल होगा. Okay, so that are the slight changes, but the type of questions remain the same. Type of questions mean, like in English, you will have RC based questions, you have fill in the blanks, you have preposition based questions. Okay, that is a unique topic which is tested in NMAT. Then you have error detection and all those. So they will be consistent, just their numbers might vary. Like किसी में ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो कैप के 5 क्वेश्चन है, किसी में 7 हो जाएंगे. So that slight variation would be there, but not that you get different type of questions. Type of questions remain same, their numbers might vary. Okay, so instead of 3 sets you might have 2 sets of RC or DI, or vice versa. Now let us discuss who should take NMAT in October. किसे देना चाहिए NMAT अक्टूबर में? 10th of October से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज इफ यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन, गिव इट अर्ली. ठीक है, दो और खत्म करो सो दैट यू कैन फोकस ऑन अदर एग्जामिनेशंस. यू विल हैव वन हेडेक कि एनमैट में अच्छा कर लेंगे, बाकी कैट की भी प्रिपरेशन करनी. तो like if you're well prepared for the examination, just take it early so that you get a decent score, and like you focus your preparation on other examinations. So I would again request, like अगर अच्छे से तैयारी की हुई है, पहले से तैयारी की है, थोड़ा सा चीजों को ब्रश अप करना है, give it in October itself. Don't wait for the last window. And some people, there might be some people who might want to take multiple attempts. But now taking multiple attempts in NMAT is almost useless unless you are applying to some other universities, because NMIMS and among the other colleges, KJ Somaya, they are accepting only the first score. Okay, so only first attempt is considered by the top colleges. So that is why people generally do not take multiple attempts now. पहले ऐसा होता था 3 अटेम्प्ट्स लेते थे, बेस्ट ऑफ 3 वाज कंसिडर्ड. सो नाउ दिस हैज ड्रास्टिकली रिड्यूस्ड, बट स्टिल इफ यू विश टू टारगेट सम अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज, नॉन NMIMS institutes, you can think of writing one attempt in October and the other in November or December. Okay, now who should be giving NMAT in November? And November में सबसे बड़ा क्लैश किससे आएगा? कैट से. 26 November is CAT 2023. सो व्हेन शुड यू टेक, कौन सा स्लॉट लेना चाहिए, कैट्स के साथ साथ प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी है, दैट बिकम्स अ क्रूशियल थिंग हियर. सो इफ यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर टिल अक्टूबर, अगर मान लो भी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, आपको लगता है कि अक्टूबर तक नहीं प्रिपेयर हो पाएगा अच्छे से, सो यू कैन शेड्यूल इट इन नवंबर. इफ यू वांटेड टू रिव्यू द फर्स्ट विंडो, आपने पहले 10-15 दिन लोगों के एक्सपीरियंसेस देखे कि अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम देके आए हैं, कैसा पेपर आ रहा है, क्या पैटर्न में चेंजेस है, ऑल्दो देयर वोंट बी मच. ओके, कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स ज्यादा पूछे जा रहे हैं, यू वांट टू रिव्यू दैट, यू कैन वेट, बिकॉज यू विल गेट सम फीडबैक फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स कि कैसा जा रहा है. ठीक है, स्कोर्स पे नहीं, मतलब टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. Okay, definitely I will be giving my review on 10th of October itself, so that all the NMAT aspirants get to know what is being asked in NMAT this time. And if you want it further, rehearsal for CAT and NMAT is your secondary examinations. There might be some students whose main target is CAT, but वो NMAT इसलिए दे देते हैं, एक बैकअप ऑप्शन हो जाएगा. So I would say कि NMAT पहले दे दो. The reason is like it will serve as a rehearsal, like how to tackle examination fear. ठीक है, कैसे जाना है, तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर रहने के लिए. So you can take and MAT in November. Okay, and if you are taking NMAT as well as CAT, ठीक है, कौन सी डेट पिक करनी चाहिए, that should be ideal list. Like try to take before 20th November. ठीक है, बिकॉज क्या होगा, अगर मान लो आपने इस वीक में ले लिया और अगर एनमैट अच्छा गया, अच्छा नहीं गया, तो आप कैट के लिए स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, और अगर वैसे भी अच्छा भी गया, सो यू विल हैव वेरी लेस डेज टू रिवाइज फॉर कैट. सो कीप दिस विंडो, लाइक लास्ट के 5-6 दिन ये कैट रिविजन के लिए रखो. I'm not saying that you cannot take in this week, but preferably try to take it before 20th November, because uh, in the last week, give full towards CAT revision. That will benefit you in CAT. So if you are targeting, like NMAT is your secondary examination, you are not well prepared till October, so you can take NMAT in November and try to take it before, or maybe a few days after also you can take NMAT, so that you have gap between two examinations. लगातार 2 दिन में 2 एग्जाम दोगे, it will be very tiring for you. And now comes the ones who should take NMAT in December. फर्स्ट इज द पीपल हु स्टार्टेड देयर प्रिपरेशन लेट. ठीक है, कुछ लोग अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं प्रिपरेशन, दैट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. सो आपने देर से स्टार्ट की, सो देन डोंट बी इन अ हरी टू गिव द एग्जामिनेशन इन अक्टूबर इटसेल्फ. एज आई सेड, स्केलिंग डाउन और ये सब कोई चीज एक्चुअल नहीं है. दीज आर ऑल मिथ्स. You need to perform good in the examination, right? Prepare well for the examination. You can still score very high in NMAT in December also. So if you are starting the preparation late, so don't keep it in October. Be fully prepared and take the examination in December. Now there are a lot of aspirants who prepare for NMAT and SNAP simultaneously. The reason being, the syllabus is somewhat similar. Many of the topics overlap. Plus the level is also similar. ठीक है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है, थोड़ा बहुत रहता है, बट आई वुड से दैट 80-90% it is similar in nature, the difficulty level as well as the syllabus. So there are a lot of people who target NMAT and SNAP, both of these examinations. Some people, they do not write CAT, so they are targeting these examinations. So if you are one of them, you are preparing for them simultaneously, you can take NMAT in December. और सपोज लाइक कैट डिडंट गो वेल, और यू थॉट कि आप कैट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, फिर आपको लगने लगा कि कैट तो अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा. सो इन दैट केस ऑल्सो NMAT can be your savior in December. ठीक है, so if NMAT is your next target, so it depends. Like if your primary target is CAT, try CAT in November and then NMAT in December. And or you may also take NMAT as your secondary target and you want to take it as a rehearsal, you can take in November. So there is nothing good or bad about scheduling the examination in any of the months. Now, if you're targeting SNAP as well as NMAT, both the examinations, then in that case, what you should do is, see, SNAP usually will be around 15 December, like it is post 15 December, or like maybe around, SNAP will be in these weekends. So SNAP is conducted on 3 dates. So out of these six, you may have 3 dates. Like one could be on 9, another could be on 16, third could be on 24. Okay, or like 9, 17, 23, like this. So SNAP is usually on weekends and the 3 weekends of December. Okay, sometimes it goes till January also. Like last to last year, it was in one of the slots was in January also. So SNAP is going to be around mid of December and it is going to be on weekend. Okay, so try to schedule it before uh, 15th of December. और इफ यू शेड्यूल्ड एनमैट फर्स्ट, फिर आपको स्नैप के लिए डेट सोचनी पड़ेगी, आपको कौन सा वाला स्नैप देना है. ओके, स्नैप के 3 एग्जाम होते हैं एंड इन दैट यू द बेस्ट स्कोर इज कंसिडर्ड. सो ट्राई टू कीप इन ट्यूसडे टू थर्सडे, सो दैट अगर मान लो आपको कोई लेटर से आपने 19 to 21 के बीच में रख दिया एनमैट, सॉरी 19 तो लास्ट डेट ही है, सपोज आप इस वीक में दे रहे हो, सो आपने 12 to 14 दे दिया. ओके, सो 12 to 14 दे दिया, तो क्या होगा, सपोज स्नैप 16 को भी होगा या फिर एक 10 को भी होगा, तो आपके बीच में बफर रहेगा. अगर आप फ्राइडे को या मंडे को रखते हो, यू माइट हैव 2 consecutive days appearing in 2 examinations. So it might be hectic for you, क्योंकि होता है ना, एक दिन के बाद दूसरे दिन लगातार एग्जाम देना, इट इज वेरी हैक्टिक. सो ट्राई टू कीप इट दैट वे, that mid of the week, so that you can adjust accordingly. Okay, so it depends on several factors, that what other examinations are you writing, are you well prepared or not. See, the best I would say is in October, because if you are well prepared, take it in October itself, so that you can concentrate free mindedly on other examinations. In case you are not well prepared, you can take in November or December. And in November or December also, think of like how it should not clash with other examinations. There should be some gap between them. If you are preparing for NMAT and SNAP 2023, I have a course running for the same. Okay, and it contains live classes, recorded concept videos, practice sheets, doubt classes, exam specific topics. This is the very important thing, because like in most of the institutes, they won't teach you exam specific things. वो CAT का पढ़ा देते हैं, और this is specifically for NMAT and SNAP only. Okay, it will include 10 full length NMAT mocks and 15 full length SNAP mocks, and the link of this course is given in the description of this video. So let me give you some more details about the course. A lot of students have this query कि इस course में क्या क्या होगा. Okay, so we have live classes which already started a few days back, so you can watch those. They are available as recordings. Okay, and with every class you get practice sheets, so that you cover those practice questions from the topics that we discussed in the class. Okay, there is exam specific relevant topics. Like as I told you, there are certain topics which are asked only in NMAT, which are asked only in SNAP. Okay, so we will have those specific topics covered. Just to give you an example, like in NMAT we have prepositions. Okay, so we will have class based on it. Like we will teach that in detail, what are prepositions and how to answer questions based on that. And like for example, in SNAP, you have questions like binary logic, truth and lie. इसके questions आते ही आते हैं. And there are some other topics also which are very frequently asked in SNAP. Okay, so we will have those relevant topics. And like for example, there are some other things like compound words, etc. There are certain topics which are SNAP specific, which are tested in SNAP for sure, most likely. So we will cover all these exam specific relevant topics. And there will be an extensive coverage of critical reasoning. See, critical reasoning in NMAT is around, like you get out of 36 questions in reasoning, you get around 18 to 20 questions on critical reasoning. So in this course, we will cover critical reasoning also. We will have a special classes for grammar rules which nobody else teaches. Okay, so we have compiled a great list which covers almost all grammar rules. Okay, which there are 160 plus grammar rules in this course which will be taught to you. उसके साथ साथ ग्रामर की प्रैक्टिस भी की जाएगी, because both in NMAT as well as SNAP, grammar plays a big role. If you know grammar, you can answer those questions instantly without spending much time on them. Otherwise, if you do not know them, I mean, you tend to get those questions incorrect. So nobody else teaches grammar this extensively. We have compiled a great set of grammar rules. One of the sample videos is available on this channel as well. You can watch that sample. And in this course, we will be covering 160 plus English grammar rules. And for both the examinations, the mocks will be on the latest pattern, like as per the level of the examination. ठीक है, NMAT का जिस तरह का पेपर आता है उस तरह का. And for SNAP also we will be providing mocks for of the same level as you get in the examination. So all relevant content for these two particular examinations. In case you are targeting these examinations, you can enroll in the course. The link is given in the description of this video. At no other place you will get relevant material for these examinations. वहाँ एक generic पढ़ा देते हैं. They do not have in-depth understanding of the examinations. I myself have appeared in these examinations multiple times and know the basic details कि कौन कौन से particular type of questions होते हैं जो सिर्फ इसमें आते हैं, क्या level रहता है. So accordingly we have designed this course. So you can enroll in the course and refer your friends as well. So this was about NMAT 2023, right? When you should appear for the examination. There is no good or bad time. Okay, you can appear in any of the months, October or November or December. Or whenever you feel you are well prepared, appear for the examination and just do well in the examination. So all the best for NMAT 2023.